It's Aloha Friday, my friends, here at Port Allen in Kauai, Hawaii. And why are we at beautiful Port Allen? Because we're continuing on with our series of learning navigation shortcuts so that we can easily move around all 16,300 plus columns in Excel and more than 1,048,570 rows. 1,048,576 to be exact. Today we're going to learn how to select cells using the shift key and the arrows. Check it out. Go ahead and press your shift key and begin selecting in the direction of the arrows. You see how the marquee is moving around and selecting as I press the arrows? Yeah, that's easy. Shift, arrows. Now we're going to go ahead and learn one more. Navigate to your last empty cell while selecting. Yes, it's a bonus. It's Aloha Friday. And they sleep, we excel. Listen up. Hold the shift key, press the arrows. You're selecting every time you press the arrow. You want to select all the way to the last empty cell. Press the control key and the shift key. The control key navigates in the direction of the arrows. The shift key selects in the direction of the arrows. Now watch this. Press the control key and the shift key and watch the selection start to happen in the direction of the arrows. Isn't that cool? Yeah. My friends, remember, don't get mad, get skills. Aloha.